Today we've got an exciting show. We have the plastic apple versus the TV remote, and we got two questions. Question number one, which will fall faster? Should be about the same here because there's no wind resistance, but we're going to find out for sure. We've got a slow-mo camera review, which is going to be pretty sweet. And the second question, of course, is which will bounce more? That, I'm going to guess the apple because it's hollow inside, and remote's a little bit heavier. So we will see. Now, to test this out, we are going to drop it from 48 inches. So, going to be exciting. Let's get started here. That may have been a little fast for us, but no worries. I've got a slow motion replay, and here it goes. If you'll notice, the apple on the left clearly bounces much higher. And if you also notice, the apple on the left bounces about half as high each time until it goes down to nothing, where it doesn't bounce anymore. Kind of neat, kind of quirky. Obviously, they both travel down at the same speed. This was really fun to both film and watch. I like playing around with weird stuff if you haven't noticed from watching any of my other videos. But yeah, this is pretty neat. Now, before I go, I would like to have a little bit of fun. So what I've done in this photo is I've captured the maximum bounce height for the apple. Obviously, number one would be the first bounce. Number two is the max height on the second bounce. And, of course, here's a photo of number three. Pretty neat stuff. As you can see, it progressively bounces less. It never actually bounces past three again. It just kind of rolls. But, yeah, pretty sweet stuff. And that's going to wrap this up. I would like to thank you for watching and wish you good luck.